Thiko imwe tu mbere ya mucemanio wa Azimio la Umoja utafanitio kiharo-ini gia Kasarani guku Nairobi, kuria mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga akaheana mwerekera wake wigie kana ni akahitahitanira giturwa kia upresident kana ca. Riu Raila ni ayukitio ni gikundi kia Mount Kenya Foundation kiria kionanitie mwihoko wati agigatuika president thutha wa githurano kia mwaka ukite. Ni agatwarithia na mbere wira uria ukoretwo ukirutwo ni President Uhuru Kenyatta.
We will form a technical team to negotiate on the above issues and work with the Right Honorable Raila Odinga to realize our collective dreams.
On Friday, all of us will go to Kasarani. We'll even be more than we are here, Your Excellency.
Hamwe na uguo udungi uria uraigagirirwo ratiri-ini ni wa no ukuhota kuroboia mabataro ma Mount Kenya hamwe na mwari ni kugacirithia wonjoria wa gitaro gia gatagati ga bururi. Na umuthi kugerera ndumiriri iria thomirwo ni Minister wa Urimi Peter Munya, Raila ni atamburukeirio mamwe ma mabataro maria akahingiria aikaria Mount Kenya.
Our region requires a coherent and a comprehensive plan to recast and address our development and economic needs.
A minister atatu hamwe nao ari ni Margaret Kobia, Joe Mucheru na Peter Munya mauma gatagati-ini ga kihiri kia maabitha angi a thirikari kuuma Mount Kenya aria magwikinyitie guku, na munini wa muikariri giti wa Mount Kenya Foundation Titus Ifwe akihithuria ati mucemanio wa kuyukia Raila umuthi uma na irathimo cia President Uhuru Kenyatta. Ino ari dalili o ingi ya ati muthia President ahota gukayukia Raila.
Given us the blessings today, to Azimio would not have been here because he is our mudhamaki.
We have no confidence and reject people who proclaim themselves to be our leaders without consulting us.
Na akiariria mucemanio uyu Raila ni agathiriirie wira uria president akoretwo akiruta no ningi akauga ati uteti uria ukoretwo ukihurwo niguo tumite imwe cia tabarira cikegucia, na uguo akiranira ati angikaingira ni agatwarithia wira ucio na mbere.
Uhuru has had his mind in the right place. He has been focused, but he has not been able to achieve what he wanted to achieve because of the environment under which he has been working.
Atongoria matiganite ni monekanire gukirira munini wa President William Ruto, mwaria thutha wa ungi makionekana kwaga kuiganira na utongoria wake guku ndumiriri ya urumwe wa bururi ikihunjio.
We have also witnessed what corruption can do to an economy and cannot imagine a Kenya where looters are in charge.
Nitwaria in one voice na twauga ati twaruthiriria maundu ma Prime Minister, twaruthiriria maundu maitu he handu maracemania gatagati.
Andu marauga ni makwenda thayu hindi no hingo ya elections na elections ciathira na ni turarora maundu matumia.
Itua ria gikundi kia Mount Kenya Foundation kuyukia mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga kioneki-ini giake gia kuhitahitanira utongoria wa bururi uyu liukite riri ikinya rinene muthenya mwetu mbere ya mucemanio wa Azimio la Umoja kuria kiharo-ini gia Kasarani. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Ngujiri.